What's up, you guys? It's Keegan DJ Serenity, and I'm not gonna finish the whole entire song, but I'll be singing Lions, Tigers, and Bears by Jasmine Sullivan. So hope you guys enjoy. Sorry if I sound so filled with gloom. You say you care, and I know you do. But this is for my experience, and I can do only makes sense. Just 'cause I love you and you love me, it doesn't mean that we're meant to be. I can climb mountains and cross the seas, but the most frightening thing is you and me. I'm not scared of lions and tigers and bears. Oh my, but I'm scared of loving you. I'm not scared to perform at a show downstairs. That's right, but I'm scared of loving. And I'm the only one that thinks that's an impossible task. Why don't we realize is that too much to ask? Why do we love when love can fade us? Oh, no circumstances. I know my fate, but in this love thing, I don't get the game. Why does it feel like those who give in, they only wonder who's ain't nothing? Just 'cause I love you and you love me doesn't mean that we'll ever be. I cross the ocean for the queen, but the most frightening thing is you and me. I'm not scared of lions and tigers and bears, oh my, but I'm scared of loving you. I'm not scared before that. So downstairs, that's right, but I'm scared of loving. I'm the only one who thinks that's an impossible task. Why it don't last? That's too much to ask. Why do we not love when love seems later? Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and like. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Oh, and by the way, my name is Serenity, but you can call me Renity, and this is Serenity Daisy. Bye.